Hello, I am here at the expository conference in Ethiopia. They're just wrapping up the day, but I wanted to check in with everyone because it is Friday. We've had a great day teaching. Skip has been here. He taught all 5 sessions. God bless him. I would imagine he is somehow tired. But he did such a great job. I'm getting ready to meet with the men to talk about how we can take these same ideas and take them and present them at the pastors' conference. We also met up with a man named Marcos here, and we're going to have dinner with him and his family tonight and get to know them a little bit better. He's a missionary that lives here in Ethiopia from the Czech Republic. Thank you, Linda, for introducing us. So we've got another day here. Tomorrow is the crusade that they're having at a big open area here. If you guys could pray for that. Franklin Graham is going to be preaching and giving a big altar call. And I'm going to walk back into the room so you can see. I guess there are 1,200 pastors here today. We were thinking it was going to be around 1,000, but they had to cut it off because so many came. They're in here closing up and they're reading some sort of agreement together, but it's in the local language, so I'm not really sure what they're saying. Let me just come in and give you a look.
ንጽህናን በመለማመድ ለቤተሰባችን ተገቢውን እንክብካቤ በማድረግ እንዲሁም ልጆቻችንን በጌታ በማሳደግ እንተጋለን። ከትዕቢት
God bless you guys. I'll talk to you next week.